DJI drones are flying in India right now. At the same time, imports are blocked. So how is that possible? Let's decode this confusion clearly and technically. If you search online, you will see two extreme answers. Some say DJI is completely banned, but the reality is more technical than that. To understand this properly, we need to separate three things: import, sailing, flying. These are not the same. Right now in India, foreign drone imports are restricted. This means companies cannot freely import and officially distribute foreign drone brands like DJI. Because of this, there is no official DJI distributor in India, no authorized service network. Most units in the market comes through unofficial channels, so commercially imports are controlled. But that still does not explain why people are flying DJI drones. Here is the key point. If a DJI drone is already inside India, it can be flown legally, but only if it follows Indian regulations. That means registration on DGCA's Digital Sky platform, proper category compliance, flying only in permitted zones, following remote pilot rules if applicable. So flying depends on compliance, not brand name. The government regulates drone operations, not specific brands. Now this is where confusion increases. Many people bring DJI drone from other countries. At customs it may be cleared or it may be stopped. Enforcement depends on documentation and current policies. This creates mixed experiences, which leads to online confusion. From an engineering and economic perspective, this move is strategic. India wants to build its own drone manufacturing ecosystem, develop indigenous flight controllers, strengthen data security, reduce dependency on foreign electronics. So this is not just about one company, it's about building a domestic drone industry. Let's summarize clearly. People are flying DJI drones in India. Owning one is not illegal. Official commercial imports are restricted. So the word banned is oversimplified. The real situation is regulatory control on imports, not a complete operational ban.